Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your business onto Uber Eats. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Uber Eats application on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your email address and password or your other credentials to log in. Once you have been logged in, you will be taken into your homepage from which you can directly start placing your order. Now, if you wish to add your business onto Uber Eats, then tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner first. Now, from this page, you will see the Set Up Your Business Profile option. Go ahead and tap on this, and then tap on Get Started. You will now be asked to enter your business email address. Go ahead and type in your email address for your business, and then tap on Next. Now you will need to enter your payment method. Tap on Add Payment Method, and from the list of available payment method, choose either one of them and enter your credentials to link your payment method with your business. Once you have linked your payment method, you can proceed forward with finalizing your business profile and setting up your credentials. Once you have set up your credentials, you will be able to set up your business, and you can set up your offers and menus and start selling your services right away. And there you have it. That is how you can go about to add your business onto Uber Eats. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.